You're using Microsoft Copilot Pro wrong, and it's costing you hours every day. These hidden advanced features will transform how you work, and most people have no idea they exist. Here's the problem. You're probably using Copilot Pro like regular Copilot, just asking basic questions and getting basic answers. But you're missing out on features that can automate entire workflows, create complex documents in seconds, and integrate with your Microsoft 365 apps in ways that feel like magic. According to Microsoft's December 2024 feature rollout, Copilot Pro now includes advanced reasoning capabilities and priority access to GPT-4 Turbo that most users never activate. Let's fix this right now. First, open your Microsoft Copilot Pro interface and look for the Settings gear icon in the top right corner. Click it and navigate to the Advanced Features panel. You'll see a toggle for Enhanced Reasoning mode that's probably turned off. This is your first mistake. Turn this on immediately. Enhanced Reasoning mode gives you access to deeper analytical capabilities that regular users don't get. Next, click on the Plugins tab in your settings. Here's where the real power lies. You'll see integrations for Microsoft 365 apps, but look for the Advanced Workflow Automation plugin. According to Microsoft's latest documentation, this feature launched in November 2024 and it's a game changer. Enable this plugin and you'll unlock the ability to create multi-step automated tasks across Word, Excel, PowerPoint, and Outlook simultaneously. Now here's your third setup step. Go back to your main Copilot Pro dashboard and find the Custom Instructions box. This is different from regular prompts. Click on Personal Preferences and set up your work context. Tell Copilot about your industry, your typical tasks, and your preferred communication style. This trains the AI to give you responses tailored specifically to your needs, not generic answers. If you're finding this valuable, hit that subscribe button. We post tech tutorials daily and you won't want to miss what's coming next. Here's where things get incredibly powerful. In your Copilot Pro interface, type this exact prompt: create a comprehensive project plan with timeline, risk assessment, and resource allocation for, and then describe your project. But here's the key: add this phrase at the end, output in Excel format with integrated PowerPoint summary slides. Watch what happens. Copilot Pro will generate a complete Excel workbook with multiple sheets, formulas, conditional formatting, and even create PowerPoint slides that summarize your project visually. Step 5 is about document collaboration. Open Microsoft Word and start a new document. In the Copilot sidebar, use this advanced prompt structure: draft a professional report analyzing your topic including executive summary, detailed findings, recommendations, and appendices. Use formal business language and include placeholder charts. The key phrase is placeholder charts. Copilot Pro will actually insert chart templates that you can populate with real data, something regular Copilot cannot do. For step 6, let's leverage the email intelligence feature. Open Outlook and click on the Copilot icon in your Compose window. Instead of asking it to write an email, try this advanced command: analyze my last 10 email threads with this contact and draft a follow-up that references our previous discussions and moves the conversation toward your specific goal. According to Microsoft's feature documentation updated in January 2025, this cross-email analysis capability is exclusive to Pro users and it's incredibly powerful for relationship management. Step 7 involves the priority queue feature. In your Copilot Pro dashboard, look for the priority processing toggle. When this is enabled, your requests get processed using dedicated compute resources, which means faster responses and access to more sophisticated reasoning models. Regular Copilot users are in a shared queue, but Pro users get premium processing power. Step 8 is about creating custom workflows. Click on the Workflow Builder in your Copilot Pro interface. This visual tool lets you chain multiple AI tasks together. For example, you can create a workflow that takes meeting notes from Teams, summarizes key action items, creates calendar events for deadlines, and sends follow-up emails to participants automatically. The Workflow Builder interface shows connected boxes where you drag and drop different AI functions and connect them with arrows. Now for the pro tips that will blow your mind. First, use the research mode toggle when you need Copilot to search current web information and site sources in academic format. This turns Copilot into a research assistant that provides footnoted, verifiable information instead of general responses. Second, try the code interpreter feature. Even if you're not a programmer, you can upload spreadsheets or data files and ask Copilot to perform complex analysis, create visualizations, or even build simple automation scripts. The interface shows a file upload area where you can drag Excel files, CSV files, or even images for analysis. Third, use voice mode for hands-free operation. Click the microphone icon and give complex multi-step instructions verbally. Copilot Pro's voice recognition is significantly more accurate than the standard version and can handle technical terminology and proper nouns much better. Finally, explore the template library. Click on templates in your sidebar and you'll find pre-built prompts for specific industries and use cases. These aren't just generic templates, they're sophisticated prompt chains designed by Microsoft's AI specialists for maximum effectiveness. Here's a bonus tip that most people miss. In the advanced settings, there's an option called Persistent Context. When enabled, Copilot remembers your previous conversations and can reference earlier work across multiple sessions. This creates continuity that makes the AI feel like a true assistant rather than starting fresh each time. The difference between regular Copilot users and power users comes down to knowing these hidden features exist and actually using them. According to productivity studies from December 2024, users who leverage these advanced Copilot Pro features report saving an average of 2 hours per day on routine tasks. Remember, at TechNavigator Pro, we help you navigate your tech journey with confidence. These advanced Copilot Pro features aren't just cool tricks, they're productivity multipliers that can transform how you work. Don't let these powerful tools sit unused in your subscription. Start with enhanced reasoning mode today, then work through each feature systematically. Subscribe for more advanced tech tutorials that actually make a difference in your daily workflow. We're here to help you master technology effortlessly, one feature at a time.